Alright, we're here at the Drury in Merriam, one of my homes away from home. I got a room up on the 4th floor. They are slammed tonight. The guy at the front desk was saying they've been sold out for weeks. And they don't even know why. Just lots of people today. So I believe the set I was at 412. Yeah. Alright, and I'm right here, very conveniently in room 412. So I'm going to go ahead and do one of these first impression tours, where literally you see the room at the same pace as me. So we'll open up the door, which is equipped with a nice RFID card reader. And before I do the tour, I'm just going to go ahead and run around, open up the blinds, and turn on some lights. Much, much better. Now, as I was saying, this hotel is one of my homes away from home. I'm here at least once a month on business. So what I'm going to do is give you a tour of a pretty typical room. So first off, looking at the door, we have... How does this thing work again? Oh yeah. The peephole with a privacy cover, a chain lock, and a deadbolt. Plus a clearly readable fire map, so we are taken care of in the security department. Additionally, I can say that all the exterior doors here, minus the one by the lobby, require a room key for entry, and they do all work. It's a very well-run property. I almost always end up in either the room ending in 12 or 13. I believe these 4 rooms are the only ones on each floor with king beds. I could be wrong, but I'm always like in this little cluster right here. Though this is my first time actually up on the 4th floor, so my first time in this room. This is a very interesting hotel to me because it sort of seems like rather than doing a big renovation at some point, it looks like a property that's back from the late 70s or early 80s, and they just kind of slowly updated it as time has gone on, but they've kept it up really, really nicely. You can see the entranceway here is nice and inviting, also well lit. Immediately as you come in, you have a bathroom, which is showing its age a little bit with like the dark wood paneling and the tiling on the wall, but you can see they've replaced the floor. There's plenty of room on the sink. Fixtures all work really nicely. Looks like the toilet might run in this one though. As per usual here, everything is looking spotlessly clean. The linens are pretty nice. Take a better look at the shower over here. You see we do have the curved shower curtain rod. Shower curtain looks like it's in beautiful condition. Very nice water pressure, and they have these nice, almost like rainfall shower heads in all the rooms here. It's a very nice shower, and they also have these like large dispensers with shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, which is honestly nicer than having the little packets. And they make these pretty difficult to tamper with too, so I am totally okay with them. Overall, the bathroom is in excellent shape. A tiny bit dated, but in excellent shape. And honestly, they don't really charge very high rates here. It's not quite a budget hotel, but it's pretty close. The one thing that is a little goofy with this setup, I've always thought, is how narrow this doorway is. Like, I don't know if you sense on camera, but like if I stand in it, my arms literally touch either side. It's just kind of funny. It's a really tiny little door. Anyway, as we continue out in the rest of the room, they have this kind of cool, like, mix of the old and the new. The bed has nice new linens and it's very attractive. The furniture kind of has like a dark mahogany thing going on. But with that old brick wall in the back, you know, the exposed brick, it actually is kind of a cool look. Almost, I don't know, 70s, 80s chic maybe? I don't know. These older mirrored doors are kind of interesting too. Plenty of closet space in here, lots of hangers, you got a luggage rack, iron and ironing board are nicely hidden. Of course, everything is nice and clean. We have 5 pillows on this nice big king-size bed. Just at a quick glance, the first pillow looks nice. I've never had any issues here with the linens at all. Looks like this room is no exception. Pillows are always nice and clean. Linens are in good shape. The bed is one of these deals where, if I can get everything undone, you've got the top sheet, down comforter, bottom sheet. Everything is nice and easy for them to keep clean. The mattress is very, very nice, supportive, but still nice and soft. You see over here you have your in-room coffee, single cup machine, nice and easy to keep clean. Got your microwave in here, also spotlessly clean. And your old school mini fridge down here with that wood grain going on. And even though it's old, it is spotless, so it could use to be defrosted a little bit. Got your ice bucket. Have a desk over here with power outlets on the side. Plenty of space to work. A nice comfy chair over here in the corner. You can see on this nightstand, the housekeepers always leave like some kind of little note for you, which is cute. Got your pen with actually the new Drury logo on it. Hasn't made it on the outside of the building at this location yet. Got two nice outlets here. The charger, actually 3 outlets to charge your things at night. Very convenient. Clock is set to the right time. That was one of my pet peeves. It feels kind of funny to me reviewing this place, but I guess if there's any complaint about this room, the window could definitely use to be washed. Last but not least, this property does feature central air conditioning and heating, which is kind of funny because they have like one of these old school residential thermostats in here. But it's nice and quiet, does a great job on a really hot day like this, keeping the room cool. Overall, I mean, I just think this place is very solid. It's sort of like a lower mid-tier hotel. I can totally go for the sort of like 70s, 80s look just because everything is kept up so nicely. Really, it's just a solid place to stay. Like, honestly, you know, I've been here quite a number of times, and I really don't have any major complaints at all. Great hotel for a very reasonable price. Really hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks so much, as always, for watching. And that is it.